Alright guys, let's get right into this pre-plucked wig. So today's wig I'm working with is going to be the Water Wave hair. It's 18 inches and this is by Richu, I think that's how you pronounce it, but it's another brand by Besthairbuy as well. The lace is pre-plucked and this is definitely great for beginners. I know a lot of people don't know how to pluck to, their best ability, but I feel like if you're a beginner and you want your lace to look very, very natural, I would suggest starting off with pre-plucked wigs, especially if you're in the learning stages. So first we're gonna go ahead and co-wash this bad boy. I like to take hot water and to sit the wig in there for at least 2 to 3 minutes, and then I like to take a I forgot what this, why do I always forget everything like as soon as I start recording? A detangler brush is not called that. It's called something else, but I cannot think of what it's called at this moment because my brain just freezes. Or a denim brush. There we go. So I take that and detangle, and then I go in with my favorite conditioner. Aussie, I think that's how you pronounce it, but this is my favorite conditioner, y'all. This has my wigs and real hair smooth and soft and silky. So I like to distribute that product all over the hair, then take my denim brush once more and detangle the curls, and then I put her back in the basin to sit for a good 30 minutes at the most. And I'm telling you guys, when you do this, your hair is going to be baby soft. It'd be so soft and silky and just luscious. I love it. Now, on top of that, the hair was already butter soft, so this just gave it more butterness. Now, when you rinse this out, rinse it out with cold water so that the hair can lock in the moisture. So yeah, this is what the hair looks like pre-plucked. This is before any alterations are done. Well, actually it's after because I've already added the pressed powder and cut the lace off. So if you just want to slay all day and just wear it straight back, then you can do that. Or you can follow the steps that I'm going to do and create baby hairs. I do define my baby hairs later on in the video because like since I wasn't feeling what it looked like once I put on. Now it looks different on the mannequin, but then when you put it on your head, you're like, oh no, this don't work. But we're gonna go ahead and start off with some foam wrap lotion, and this helps mold and sculpt your baby hairs. Y'all, I've been sleeping on foam wrap. Like I forgot all about foam wrap lotion when mousse came out, but I feel like this is a better alternative to mousse because your hair does not get hard and it helps set the pattern of the waves or curls or swoops that you're going for. I feel like it's a better alternative to mousse. Mousse you can use afterwards, but this really does help define and keep everything intact. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just going in, putting more foam wrap on, making my little swoops, and then to set it all down. Oh shoot, I'm going ahead of the clip. Yeah, so as you guys can see, I'm still molding. I'm getting right, trying to fit it to my best ability to my mannequin's head. And y'all excuse my mannequin. Me and my mannequin has to have a little talk because she a little dirty. Y'all have dyed and did everything with this mannequin head. So she is tretrified by the way she's looking. But yeah. Alright, so I'm taking my GOTHCU hairspray and then I spray it and then I take my blow dryer and dry everything to set in place. Now, I let this sit overnight because, y'all, it was like 12 o'clock at night when I did this. But yeah, on this side, I forgot to show you guys me cutting my baby hairs on the other side. But this is how I got the swoops to lay so easily. And like I said, practice make perfect. So if you don't get it right on the first try, there's always tomorrow and the day after that. So do not get discouraged, you guys. It's just swoops, and I just see a lot of comments. Oh, I wish I could do this. I wish I could do hair. I wish I could do baby hairs. I wish I can do this. And I want you to know that you can do anything you want to do, anything you put your mind to. So don't give up. Just keep on practicing. Like I said, practice is not, if I said that before, I'm sorry. Not practice doesn't make perfect. Practice makes improvement. There we go, sis. So yeah, I'm letting everything dry up, and I'm gonna come back the next morning and show you guys what it looks like. This is what she's looking like. She's looking so pretty. I love the swoopies. So now we're gonna stick her on my head. Now we're not using any glue, any gel, any tape, we gonna use some hairspray. Now, I know a lot of people say that when they use GOTHCU glue hairspray, it turns white on them. Sis, it's turning white because you're drying it too fast, which is causing it to flake. Turn your heat on a cool setting. Do not blow dry your hair on a hot heating setting because it will dry white. So that's a tip for you guys who are trying this method. I feel like it's very, very easy to do versus using like lace bonding glue or got to be glue. I feel like the hairspray method is very quicker and it's easier, and you know, it's more precise and it's just easier to work with. So I would recommend doing this than you starting off with all the other stuff. Like I feel this hair tutorial is very, very beginner friendly because it's very simple, and I'm just hoping that you guys can follow along with what I'm doing. But so far, while you guys are watching that, because I do the process over the entire head to secure the lace, right off the back, some cons of the hair. I noticed that it does shed, and like I said, it's not really a big con because what hair doesn't shed. So I just want you to know that this hair does shed. It's not nothing overwhelming. I think that would be about it because the hair did not tingle, not once. Like I was doing a lot of manipulation to the hair and it was not shedding. I mean, it wasn't tangling or anything. So I give it an A+ on that. The hair, like I said, the hair texture, it was already butter soft, but y'all putting that conditioner on it just did it some justice. I didn't bleach the knots. I just put pressed foundation on there, and it was just my LA Color pressed foundation or pressed powder in the shade Toffee to make it look skin light. So that's a quick tip as well. If you don't feel like bleaching your knots, girls, just put your pressed powder on there and call it a freaking day. So yeah, overall, I am so freaking in love with this unit. In the next couple of clips, you guys are going to see me change the swoops into more defined baby hairs. You could do them thicker or you could do them thinner. Sometimes I'm in a thick mode and sometimes in a thin mode. So my baby hairs were kind of extra in this video. So I'm just letting you guys know that. But as you guys can see, when your hair is pre-plucked around the perimeter, it makes doing your hair, baby hair, so much easier. And as you can see, it just looks so freaking natural. Like, pre-plucked units are a lifesaver. I mean, it saves you tons and tons and tons of time from plucking. Because, like, when I pluck my units, it takes a hot minute. But I feel like if you want to skip all that, get a pre-plucked wig. If you're a beginner, pre-plucked wig, you know, less maintenance. And it's just very time. It saves you a lot of time. I don't know what I was thinking after that. But, yeah, it makes your baby hairs easier, and it just, y'all, pre-plucked units are where it's at. And I really love companies who take the time and put the effort into doing that, because it's like, y'all really helping us out. Y'all really helping us out. So all the information to this unit will be listed down in the description section below. So do not forget to check that out if you're interested in purchasing this wig. Now y'all know it's TJ approved. Y'all know I don't bring nothing to y'all. If it's shanky, if it's trash, I'm telling you guys, this is TJ approved. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I talked, no music, I just talked. So yeah, give me a thumbs up. And without further ado, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.